welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're actually kind of responding to some comments and questions we had around the last couple of plein air videos where we talked about reducing what you got and like really looking at what you need and stuff like this. So we've been asked to look at some other options for fun stuff that you could take outdoors with you. And so today I've got a little option for you in case you don't want to go small, in case you do want to take your big brushes with you and stuff like this. So this is just a simple kind of backpack solution for your art material. I want to show you some cool stuff that would be great to take along. One is a Kilimanjaro bright white watercolor paper pad. Not a block, so you don't have to worry about unblocking it, but it travels. As you can see, this one's traveled the world. And because it's a 300-pound, you don't have to worry about it stretching. You don't have to worry about it warping and buckling and stuff like this. And you have a nice usable surface, easily fits in a backpack. Also, American Journey Sketchbook for documenting ideas. And then a brand new Cheap Joe's water bucket. Look at this thing. I mean, it folds up nice and flat, but it gets enormous. It gets huge. You can put a ton of water in it. And the other thing that I like about the bucket is you can even use it as, like, let's say that you don't have a long way to hike to wherever you're going to be painting. You can even do this. Here I have Kilimanjaro Watercolor Pad. Boom. I have American Journey Voyager. This one's only got 3 colors actually in it, but it will actually hold up to 22. So that one, you could take a fully loaded palette with you. And then I've also got plenty of brushes, all kinds of stuff. All of this can actually be taken just like this in the bucket, go anywhere you want to go, all kinds of cool options. So don't let yourself be limited. Make sure to pack water because you're going to need that. But don't limit your options. If you want to go big, do that. There's always creative ways to find to take all of your art stuff outside. Get out there, paint, have fun, and more importantly,